Here's a great deal on a 2009 Nissan Versa. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and more. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.